doing it? Whoop, crash. Crash. What are you doing? Crash, do you turn it? Do you need help? Do you need help? Here, let's go back this way. Here, go this way. Here. Watch out, we're gonna turn it. Sharp turn. Sharp, whoop, sharp turn. Here, go back this way. Go back that way. There you go. You stand up. There you go. Whoop. Here, go this way. Kelly Bear, you're gonna run it right into the refrigerator. There you go. You're a reckless driver. Here. Here, let's turn it and go that way. There you go. There you go. What are you doing, silly bear? Here, go this way. Go that way.